Hello everyone. Today we'll be taking you through Memoriacall. Its background, features, pricing plans, how to sign up, and beyond. To begin, we'll quickly give you an idea about Memoriacall. It's an all-in-one video conferencing platform that maximizes productivity for users in their online meetings.
Critical elements of achieving that experience include top security, ease of use with an account accessible from any device, on-demand, keyword searchable text and audio transcripts, and the ability to collaborate in an instant with your email contacts via speed call from any device, anywhere. In-app file sharing, storage, and account global search for archives of meeting titles, files, and keywords. There are 3 pricing plans available at Memoriacall. Apart from these plans, we have special pricing available for enterprise customers. Before jumping onto setting up your account, we'll go through the customer support available. The Help Center has multiple frequently asked questions which can solve any of your small, regular issues. If the frequently asked questions are not enough, you can go onto the chat support functionality available on the floating bottom right icon. You can directly send your query, and it will be answered by the team there itself.
Now we head on to the tutorials for Memoriacall, web app platform.
Sign up and first call from desktop. Today you'll be guided on how to sign up and make the first call from your desktop using Memoriacall. 1. To sign up and have your first call, go to memoriacall.com. 2. Then, on the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. 3. This will take you to another page where you can sign up using your email address only. Just enter your email address and hit Sign Up. 4. Then go to your inbox and look for the Welcome email and click on the link. 5. This link will now take you to set up the Memoriacall account. Enter the details and set up your password. 6. Now you can schedule your first call. 7. Guest participants will receive their unique tokenized invites via email. This is a one-click meeting invite. There is nothing to download, no meeting ID, and no password. The invite is unique to each participant and easily accessible. 8. Click on Join Call to start the meeting. How to activate audio transcripts and how to tag conversations. 1. Have more productive meetings with on-demand conversation tagging and searchable text and audio transcripts. In Memoriacall, it is easy to activate text and audio transcripts. Simply click on the feather icon. While recording, you also can add tags to your calls for easy reference later. Transcripts will be available a few minutes after your meeting ends. Your audio and text transcripts will be available under the Transcript tab. Run a search for keywords to easily locate the most relevant information. How to share files, including diversity of files, in web app. 1. File sharing in Memoriacall is also simple and secure. 2. Simply click on the paperclip icon. Now you can drag and drop or select files from other storage folders in your device. 4. User can attach files while scheduling, during, and after a meeting is over. The same functionalities are available in Memoriacall mobile app. How to share post-meeting files, chats, transcripts. Include how to run a search. 1. Reduced follow-up with files, transcripts, and notes, all available post-call on a central private network. 2. To share the transcript, files, and chat with guests, search and/or look for the meeting in your meetings list or archives. Select the meeting for which you want to share transcript, files, and chat. Look for the share icon and click on it to share with guests. Need to share with one more person? Just add their email to the list. Add a message to participants. Click on Share button. Participants will receive an automated email notification from you with the link to access the meeting details page. Participants can now access all records and run searches. No follow-up emails or switching between apps. With Memoriacall, your meeting records are all archived and in one place. How to launch a speed call. Speed call enables users to place an instant call with 1 to 100 participants. They just need to have an email and be logged in their Memoriacall account. Simply choose from current contacts or add an email address of the person or persons you want to call to your contact list. Click the call icon and have an easy, secure audio call. With one click, turn your audio call into a full-feature video conferencing meeting.